A channel logo and banner are what make a channel special, aside from the videos. So, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make a channel logo and banner for your YouTube channel. Anyways, let's get started.
Have a sing along.
So before we start this video, I just want to tell that all the links that I use in this video will be in the description. So let's start with the logo. So to make the logo, all that you need to do is go to your any browser and type brandcrowd.com. I'll leave this in the description. So I am gonna just put a channel name, how to tutorials. Okay. So put keywords and make it better. So obviously we want an icon and logo and text. So now after you're done, it will give you a wide variety of choices. So this is according to the keywords that you put. So then you can just click on any of them. In this case, I'm going to choose the one with the bowl. So to log in, you can just log in with Google. Okay, so once you've logged in, it's going to redirect you to the page with where you can edit the logo. So as that's loading, I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for 50 subscribers. I forgot to upload a video on that, but yeah. So once it's loaded, you can choose what color orientation you want. So let's say you don't like the background. Just go to background and choose what background you like. In this case, I'm gonna choose a blue highlight. This looks good. So yeah. And then, so if suppose you don't want this text, just click on it and click delete. So, and now if you wanna save it, you just need to take a screenshot. So you can open a snipping tool, or you can just for quicker access, you can just click on Fn and then your Windows button and F11. So I mean, no, just click on F11 if it's one of the newer laptops. If it's one of the older ones, you might have to use snipping tool because this feature might not be available. And then you get a pop-up screenshot copy to clipboard. You're gonna click on that and then just save. Save. Okay. So now next up, you want to make a banner. But before I show you how to make a banner, just like the video and subscribe for more how-to videos. And if you want to check on my previous video on how to make a YouTube channel, click the card above, or I'll link it at the end of the video. So back to what we were doing. So you want to just search up Canva. Not Canva, sorry. Snap. So instead of just entering this here, you want to just scroll down, and so you can also just make a YouTube thumbnail or Instagram story. So in this case, we want to make a YouTube banner. So so once you click on that, you'll be taken to this page. You can start from scratch, or you can choose one of these templates. So we're just going to choose random template, I guess. YouTube banner. Let's choose one of the featured ones. So it doesn't matter what template you choose, you just need to like the design. So you want to just, on the left side of the screen, there will be background, effects, text, graphic, shape. You go to background, and you can upload an image. So now you need a banner background. You go to Google and just type YouTube banner background. And you can just type background in this case. So now you'll get a lot of ones, and you can just choose any of them. It doesn't matter of the size, because you can export any size on this. In this case, I'm gonna export this one. Okay. Or I'm gonna export this one so you can change it. But let's go to the original one, and then we'll just change this to so I think I gotta enlarge this a bit. Yep, so now that fits completely, and I think I might delete this. So you could put your channel logo. So yeah, you could put your channel logos. In this case, I'm gonna put how to tutorials. So that will export, and you just click it, I believe. Yeah, click it. Then you want to resize this to fit here. Boom. And now for this one, you don't have to take a screenshot. So basically, you guys might be wondering, what is this screen here? So this middle one is like where it's for the normal phone viewers, and the other one's going to be for the TV and laptop viewers. So for this one, you want to just click on download, and then you want to just choose which one. So I'm going to choose Web Optimized JPG. Okay, so that's done. So now you just wanna, so that's gonna be it. But if you wanna upload this and you're thinking, oh, how do I upload it? It's easy. So just go to your YouTube studio. Then so you can just would either directly just type youtube.com/studio and then go to customization, or you can just go to your YouTube, go to your channel, and then YouTube Studio upload, whatever you want to do. So in this case, I have already uploaded a banner. Let me switch account to my other one. So basically now I'm gonna head to customization and branding, if you don't know. So I've already uploaded a logo here. So you can just click on, so you'll have an upload button here, not a change or remove unless you've not added a logo. So yeah, so you can just click on upload and then choose the banner that you want to upload. So yeah, but either way guys, that is gonna be it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed, and if you guys did, like and subscribe to my channel to show me some love and support, and click on screen right now to check out my previous video or the video that I teach you how to make a channel if you want to make one. Anyways, bye. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.